What's up, family? Welcome to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. So Focused. On this channel, again, all we do is we focus on one product, real reviews in real time, unbiased, uncut, and raw, straight to the point reviews on these products. Today, we got the Monster 24K DJ Pro Edition headphones. This is what I like to call a little TBT. No Throwback Thursdays. This is Throwback Tech on this channel. Throwback Tech, hashtag TBT. Now, other day somebody asked me, why did you start this channel? There's so many other review channels out there on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Why'd you start this channel? Nobody's ever gonna see it. Again, I had to explain to them. I said, next time you go to the supermarket, go down the bread aisle. When you go down the bread aisle, you're gonna see nothing but bread, different companies. Same bread, different companies. In the words of Damon John from Shark Tank, you never ever start something from scratch. You always take something and you revamp it and you do it better. He didn't say that verbatim, but he said something along those lines. Check it out, and that's my answer to why I started this channel. I feel like nobody's giving raw and uncut reviews of these products, you know. So I'm staying in my lane, and this is what I'm doing. You like it? Check it out. If not, you know, keep it moving. But this is what we do on this channel. All right, let's get right into it. These 24K Monster joints, straight official. Hard to come by. Check it out. Look it up on your phone. Do whatever you need to do. Actually, let me pull out my phone real quick. I'm going to look it up. And we're going to check out some prices on where you could get these from. Very hard to come by. This Throwback Tech, I think they came out like about, I want to say 5 years ago. If you could find them, pick them up. You know, and listen, don't get beat, because you could get beat, no pun intended. There's a lot of fake ones out there. There's a lot of fake ones out there. I'm gonna pull up something right now. A lot of fake joints out there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's a price for one of them right now. That price. That's the price for one of them right now. Don't get beat in the head. These headphones, when they came out, it was around the time a rapper named MEEK came out. So they AKA them the MEEK Mills. I AKA them, yo, the Look At Me Now headphones. You know what I'm saying? When you put these on, anywhere you at, people gonna look at you. These joints is straight fire. Listen, if you got them, you got them. If you don't got them, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? But I love these joints. Alright, let's get right into it. Monster 24Ks. You know, anything that you get from Monster, packaging is going to be 100% on point. Monster 24Ks, professional DJ style headphones. Noise isolation. Let's see if anything is here that we need to read. Pure Monster sound of 24K. Live life out loud with crystal clear audio perfection. You're not afraid of showing who you are with the brilliant look of 24K, while exemplifying your taste in great music. It's the lifestyle that identifies you. 24K sound, perfected by the experts at Monster. So if you know anything about Monster, they behind everything. You know, look it up yourself. You know what I'm talking about. When you get in a package, Control Talk Universal Cable, a 1/4-inch adapter, styling carrying pouch, and a Pro Studio Link cable. Control Talk, you can listen, you can answer in phone calls. Pro Studio Link, tangle resistant cord cable. Alright, let's get right into it. When you get Monster products, you always get an excellent presentation. So right there you got the picture of the headphones. Right here you got a note from the head Monster at 24K. We invite you to enter the world of 24K sound. Yada yada yada. Noel Lee, the head Monster. Alright? This is the pouch that they said you get. Got some Monster branding on it. Little felt pouch. It's the audio cable. The gold tips. Can't go wrong with that. You got the little button on it. The mic with the microphone. Answering in phone calls. Play and pause. Skip tracks. All of that good stuff. And here's the DJ cable for you DJs out there. Audio files. This is all for y'all. This is old school right here. A lot of people don't even remember these, but this is old school. You stick into the stereo plug of your stereo component. You stick that right into your headphone jack, your phone, whatever you need to do. That goes right into the other end of the headphones. They say you another one, so you get 2 of them. Now for the main attraction itself, the headphones. Let me move this box out the way so we can get a good look at these. Now these headphones, like I said, man, straight heat. Heat, straight fire. When you wear these headphones, people gonna look at you. So if you don't like to be looked at, don't wear these headphones. For real, like I said, AKA the look at me now headphones. Straight fire. All around. You see that gold shimmering? Let me get these a little wiped down. Hold on. Straight fire. You see that Monster brand logo? That shine? You know, got the little 24K logo. They fold up just like that. Easy. Like I said, these are throwbacks right here. TBT, throwback tech. No throwback Thursdays over here, alright? I create my own lanes. I don't follow trends. I set them. You heard? That's what we do over here. We focus. We so focused over here. That's what we do. Alright? I just wanted to give y'all a little throwback right here. Monster headphones. This is what we do here. These are hot. If you like these, check them out. Like I said, get them online. But beware. You know, there's a lot of fake joints out there, so just beware what you're getting, what you're buying. Alright? Comfortable headphones, comfortable padding. You can listen to music for hours. Don't get hoodwinked. Don't get bamboozled. Little old school word for you right there. You heard? Check these out. Monster. 24K, aka Meek Mills, aka what I like to call them, look at me now headphones. Straight fire. Alright, go online, check these out. Just wanted to give y'all a little TBT, throwback tech. So, that was the review on those Monster headphones. They sound hot. I don't even have to, you know, these are my headphones. I tried these on. I did my thing. I listen to these all the time. I got multiple headphones, but like I said, there's no comparison videos here. What we do is we focus on one product and we focus on that product only. You know what I'm saying? Leave your comments in the section down. Leave your comments in the sections. I take all the hate, please, but really only accepting positive reviews at this time. But the hate, I welcome it. Let's do it. Second installment of this channel. So check it out. Got some more stuff, some more tech coming. A lot more tech coming for the new year. This is how we doing it. Again, Monsters. Check them out. Straight heat. Can't go wrong. Pay the money and you're going to get some good headphones. Alright, another edition done. 3 things in life you got to remember. Trust God, love family, stay focused. Hit me up on the Instagram, Mr. I'm so focused. Hit me up at Facebook, SOFOCUSED.BIZ, SOFOCUSED.BIZ. You can get your merch there. Until next time, y'all, stay focused.